Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check if someone is online on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you right here 5 ways to check or 5 methods to check for online status. So first up, when you go ahead over to your DM section right here, okay, you will be able to see if someone is online, if they have the green dot beside their profile, just like this one. Okay. This means that they are online. Now, when you go ahead and go to your Snap Map right here, if your friends are visible, okay, if they have enabled this feature, well, they will have the green icon here as well. Well, that means that they're online. Now, another way to check, go to your DM section and tap on a chat like so. Leave a message. Now, when they go ahead and reply quickly, well, that means that they're online. Okay. Also, another way to check, you can go ahead and upload a story. Okay. Upload a story from here. Now, active users often view stories quickly. Now, go ahead and check your story's viewer or viewer list for their name appearing soon after posting. Okay. And also, last but not the least, okay, we have a Snapchat Plus. For Snapchat Plus, we have this feature that is called Friends in Chat. Okay, so subscriber of this premium feature, well, they will be able to see a Bitmoji selfie of a friend, okay, in the chat feed when they're present and looking at your chat. That's a great feature, but it costs. Okay, but that's just basically it. Those are 5 ways to check if someone is online on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.